Today I'm going to show you how to make this nature-inspired text in Canva. So to begin with, we go to text, add a heading, type in waves, and then we want to highlight the text and change the font to this one called Zoom Rough Bold. Increase the size. Put it in the center. Then we want to change the color of the text to white. And then we're going to change the background to black. And then what we want to do is to go to Elements, type in Waves Silhouette, go to See All. Now I'm going to choose this one here, and with this we're just going to put a few small waves at the bottom. Put one there, duplicate again, don't want them to be too big. So after you've arranged the waves, we want to click Share, Download as a PNG, then we'll upload the file, click Add New Page, then we'll go to Elements, go to Photos, type in Rough Sea, I'm going to choose this one, right click, replace background, go to Uploads, import the image, remove the background, enlarge the text and place it where you think it fits best. And you can also click Edit and perhaps go to Shadows and add a little bit of a drop shadow down the bottom of the image so you can change the angle so it's right at the bottom on 50. Perhaps change the distance slightly so it's a bit closer. And the blur amount. You can add that in if you feel it looks better. But there we go. That's how to do nature-inspired text in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please do subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about Canva.